Chicco, sustainable parenting means a commitment to act responsibly, respecting people and the environment, with an outlook to future generations. Part of our commitment to sustainable parenting includes new textile innovations, making things easy to clean, clear of unnecessary chemicals, and comfortable in use. Like Adapt, our most premium comfort offering, your child's car safety seat has its own microclimate. Ensuring that climate is comfortable is what Adapt is all about. Leveraging patented 37.5 technology, Adapt helps your child's microclimate remain at the optimal humidity level of 37.5%. Active volcanic mineral particles are permanently embedded into the fibers of the fabric, creating billions of micropores that massively increase the surface area of the material and work to manage humidity in that microclimate. Combined with technical mesh, breathability is also enhanced. So when the climate surrounding your child's seat is hot, the active particles help remove sweat in the vapor state before liquid sweat is able to form. This continuous evaporation helps keep your child cool. When the climate surrounding your child's car seat is cold, those same active particles return your child's energy to keep them warm. The result? Unparalleled comfort for your child. Innovative textile solutions. Adapt, a sustainable parenting innovation. Only from Chicco.